Yeah, you're right. Welcome back. Out here in the country? Yeah, you're right. Hungry. Let's cook some food. Have grit on in the background. Some old Western. Don't even know what it's called. Don't even care. Cool. I just want to brown it. It's not there yet. It will get there pretty soon. Yeah, I just want to cook some food and chill. It is almost 11 o'clock at night. It's cold out there. It's in the 30s. It's not going to get below freezing. It may get down to 33. Not a lot of wind, so it's not that bad, but there is a chill on the air. Yeah, you're right. And this is dinner, but I'm making breakfast. Old Westerns are nice, but I kind of wanted to come sit in here for a second while we brown the meat before we add the other thing, and then the other thing, and the other thing. Yeah, you're right. The problem with watching grit isn't the content they show. I like the Westerns, even if sometimes they're really cheesy. Sometimes there's really good ones on there, right? It's not that. It's the commercials. It's all marketed towards boomers. Drugs with weird side effects and that stuck poop commercial. And then stuff to do with your money. And they go on and on forever. So it's like, to give you a bit of mercy, I'm either gonna not film during the commercials, or I'm gonna run in here to give myself a little bit of a break from that. But yeah, you're right. Who doesn't like to watch a stagecoach go that way and then the stagecoach go that way? People running back and forth on horses chasing it. Yeah, you're right. It's all good stuff. It's all good. But I bet my sausage is brown. Let's get out of here. Well, yes. Oh, yes. Now that I got the chorizo worked into the sausage, I mean, they're both sausage, right? I need to let it simmer for a while before I do anything else. There's 6 eggs in there. Chorizo always has a lot of grease. You see all that grease in there? I've took my heat down from a medium, so I'm just a little under medium. I could give it more heat, but I kind of want to do this slow so we don't stick to the bottom of the pan. This is never going to look like scrambled eggs to you unless it does look like scrambled eggs to you. Yeah, the chorizo just makes the eggs look like this. And again, not a high level of one-handed skill here. One day I'll have more hands. But you let it go for a little bit, just simmering, get some of that moisture out. Looks like I'm making breakfast tacos. I'm actually not making breakfast tacos though. I'm gonna have this over rice. Let's see how my one-handed skill level has changed since the last clip. Oh, less of a mess. I don't have any cheese to add to this. Sometimes a bit of queso, a bit of cheese, and maybe some black beans. Yeah, this is not that time though. I'm gonna have another Dr. Pepper.
Because I love it.
Yeah. Once in a while, it's alright. I keep it around, right? I come back to Texas and it's all over the place. It's always in my face. It's all around. Because that's where, you know, where it's at. Dr. Pepper originally comes from Dallas. I was born in Dallas. Man, that was good. Yeah, you're right. Out here in the country, eating good. Ready to be out here in the country, sleeping good here real soon. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, being members of the channel. And yeah, you're right. I'll see y'all next time.